So in this video, I'm going to show you a website where we can generate awesome article titles for our content. So first, I'm going to open google.com and now in here find potent content. So you will see this website called potent.com/tools/title maker. So open this website and see they are giving some suggestions. Don't capitalize your keywords, use the singular version of your keyword, revise the result to create your own fantastic headline. So if you want to generate a good headline, then you need to follow their suggestions. And in this field, we need to enter our main keywords or our topics. So as an example, I am giving fitness tips. And then just you need to click on this arrow icon. See, this website gives us some suggestions. Remember, all of the suggestions is not going to be perfect. You need to brainstorm and you need to modify a little bit to make the perfect headline. So see the title. Why do people think fitness tips are a good idea? If you click on this refresh icon, you will see another suggestion. How fitness tips are bringing sexy back. Wow, I never thought about that title. If you click again on this refresh button, then you will see another suggestion. 8 things you don't want to hear about fitness tips. This is really very awesome. If you want to check out the variation for the headlines, just continue, click on this refresh icon. You will see a good headline from this website. If you change another topic like cooking, the 7 biggest cooking blunders, the only cooking resources you will ever need. If we change another topics like Facebook marketing, the Facebook marketing articles of your dreams, true facts about Justin Bieber's love of Facebook marketing, how Facebook marketing can help you live a better life. Wow, that's a really very awesome. So hope you understand how that tool actually works, and you need to copy that ideas and you can change it for your own fantastic version. So still, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for more marketing update.